Welcome to It's RHODE'S. I'm gonna show you a recipe using yellow plantains. As you can see, I have some cinnamon here, and you will see this recipe is one of my favorites. I know you will love it. You don't want your plantains to be super ripe, just yellow like these ones. You will differentiate them because they don't have too many black spots. This is just perfect for this recipe. If they are too ripe, you're not gonna be able to do this recipe. So you wanna pick your plantains in perfect shape. So the best way to peel your yellow plantains is just making a vertical cut, just like this, cutting one of the ends and just peeling the plantain with your hands. It will peel off super easily because it's ripe, it's yellow. So you cut the ends, and this is it. This is what we need. The next step is to cut the plantain in half. We're gonna make sticks with these plantains. I don't want them too thick, but not too thin either. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut them in half again, just like this, and then I'm gonna make the stick just like this. Maybe 3 sticks are gonna be perfect. 3. All right, this is good. Okay, that's exactly what I want. Maybe I can make 2 out of this one because it's too big. All right, there we go. This is what we're looking for. If you haven't watched our video with the green plantain sticks, let me know in the comments below because I'm gonna leave you this recipe in the description of this video. This is how it looks, you guys. These yellow plantain sticks are so cool. You will see how we're gonna prepare them. Just to make sure that the oil is completely hot, I'm gonna put one of the sticks, and if it makes bubbles just like this, it is ready. The size of your pan is really important. Don't add more plantains than what it can hold. I'm gonna add only these few, and then I'm gonna add a second batch of plantains. Meanwhile, in one tray just like this, or a plate, or whatever container you want, we're gonna put ½ cup of sugar. This is granulated sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Let's mix it up until it's well combined. Once your plantains are just like this, golden brown, we're gonna take them out of the oil and we're gonna put them in the cinnamon with the sugar. Now I'm gonna cover the plantains with the sugar. You need to do this while they are hot because otherwise the sugar won't stick to the plantains. If you have ever prepared churros, this is pretty much a variation of this recipe. You can also use sweet potatoes for this, and it will be really, really nice as well. So once I have all the plantains coated with the sugar and cinnamon just like this, I'm gonna set them aside until the moment that I'm gonna serve them. Now I'm gonna use cheese. This one is to fry. It's a cheese that is really hard. This cheese is different. It doesn't melt at all. So you want a cheese that doesn't melt for this part of the recipe, okay? So I'm gonna cut like this and then in half, just to get these little sticks of cheese. You can use mozzarella sticks if you like, if you prefer, but these ones, this cheese is the best for this recipe. We're gonna use all-purpose flour to coat all the cheese sticks just like this. Not too much flour, just a little bit. And this is it. This is before fry them, okay? Okay, you guys, just to serve, I put here all the cheese with the plantains. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of honey. This is to taste. If you don't like honey, don't add it to this plate, but I promise it's gonna be so good that you will like to try this recipe right away. Let's give it a try, you guys. I think this is so amazing. It's so delicious. You can make this recipe, and I know you're gonna impress your guests. So let's give it a try. A little bit of the cheese and a little bit of the sweet plantain. If you like sweet plantains, this is gonna be your recipe. All right. I hope you like this recipe. Hope to see you the next time. God bless you. Bye-bye.